Hello everyone, welcome to another helpful video. If your camera is not working properly on Realme P3 Lite, then this video is for you. Today we will show you how to fix camera issues easily. So before we begin, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's start today's video.